Well, we have our first downed line of some sort. It doesn't really look like a power... Whoa! No, I don't think it's a power line. Some pummeled shrubbery on the side of the street. I'm still in Van Brunt Street in Brooklyn. In Red Hook, Brooklyn, one of the toughest neighborhoods around until all of the middle-class white people showed up and gentrified it and made it into just another place with a Whole Foods, only it's really a Fairway market. Okay. We found a power line. Oops, another brave Brooklynite. I'm going to try to make it to the view of the Statue of Liberty through another way. I got cut off by some water a block away from the Fairway, which has a nice view. But it's high water and I don't have any boots. Another brave Brooklynite out less than an hour after the storm passed over us. We're still getting residual winds. Oh, a canine survivor. Oh my gosh.
Devastation.
Yes. Oh, the botany. It'll be tomorrow's headline will be economic damage caused by overreaction. You know? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I know. You're right. It could have been a contender, but now it's just a bum. Well, I'm headed east to the Hudson. I'm only a block or two away. We'll check back with you.